All right, hey, this is Jared again, and I'm on the back porch working on the squat rack. So now I want to attach this 4x4 cross support to the post. This will be the post that will stand vertically. I've got these 90-degree ties here. And if you don't know, those are, you can find them at the Home Depot or Lowe's, I guess, probably near the lumber. It was near the lumber. And then right next to them, they have these fasteners. In fact, these, I think, either set on them or set right on the box. Yeah, I think this one said on the box. No, yeah, this one doesn't say on it, but it said on the box that I got them from. It takes these. You could have got something longer, but I figure if this is what they recommend, I'm going into 8 total holes there. I think these should be long enough. They did come with this little driver, so I have something like that, very similar, but since it came with it, that's great. Okay, so again, I'm going to pre-drill. I'm feeling a little like there might be an easier way to do this, I guess. I've got this clamped here, but one clamp like that doesn't really hold it great. I just want to make sure everything's as level and a good 90-degree angle as I can. But we'll see. I'm sure we can get it done. Let's see if I can set this somewhere. Not that you need to watch me drill again. If you saw the other video, some action-packed drilling. But anyways, I'll show you a little bit and let's see if we can get it done. Let's see if I can come around here. Okay. Again, I'm a little concerned about being as straight and as secure connection as I can, but I'm sure we can get it done. Okay, and then I was bragging about this thing earlier, but you can see there a little drawback of it, but we'll be okay. Okay, number 1 is in. I feel like that little tie twisted a little bit. So let's see if I can straighten it out. I think I'll just back out. It's hard to back these things out a little bit. It comes out further than I want. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so let's see. Actually, maybe I should put a clamp on this, but I don't know if the clamp will be stronger than my drill. Okay, that seems all right. Well, now it's twisted the other way. Well, you know what? Now that that's in there, it's in a good place. I think I can move this out of the way. Actually, maybe I'll use this to... Oh, that's not helping. I can just do it with my bare hands easier than with that. And just eyeball it. I just want to make sure this thing is as square as possible. Okay, that looks pretty good. I know you can't see it from there, but I'm just trying to make it square. Okay. Try to make this drilling as exciting as possible. Again, I don't want to go in too far. driver back on. Oops, going the wrong way. Okay, now that I have 2 in, you know what, that looks pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna mess with it. It's nice and square looking. May not be perfect, but it's pretty close. And just, I'll mention, I did maybe say something a little confusing in my last video. I think I said something about the hinges. Well, the hinge is not going to go on here. I was just a little confused in the garage. The hinge will go, let's see, up here. You can't see it, but at the top of this. And this is just going to be fixed. There's no reason for a hinge here. Let's see. That looks pretty good. Now, it's not quite straight. I will put that clamp back on. Hold it a little bit. Well, I can't put it there. Yeah, I can. That'll be fine. And I have a level out here, but what I realized is that level, it's not really, it doesn't really help me. It's not level, and there's nothing I can do to make it perfectly level. But maybe when I get it all together, all the screws on both sides will help with that. That's my hope. I'm sure this is going to work. I'm not going to quit until it does. All right, so let's drill in these. I know I'm going to block the view, but being right-handed, I need to be on this side. All right, I lost my driver bit. You guys see it? My kids aren't even here to blame. All right, well, I hate making you guys watch me look for stuff, so I'm going to stop this video. I'm going to screw these 4 in and then do the other side. If there's anything exceptionally challenging or noteworthy, I'll make another video. Otherwise, I'm just going to attach all these, attach the other side, and do it with 3 more pieces. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We're getting there. We'll get her done. Bye-bye.